Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll talk about mockups and how to make yours stand out. Your mockups are the photos that show off your jewelry, and they're one of the most important things that decide whether your product sells or not. Think about it. When someone is scrolling through dozens of listings, your mockup is the very first thing they see. A beautiful, eye-catching photo is what stops them, earns the click, and leads to the sale. Ownprint gives every seller a set of default mockups ready to use out of the box. But here's the thing, every other seller has access to those same mockups too. And if your photos look just like everyone else's, it's hard to stand out. So how do you get unique professional photos of your own? In the past, this meant hiring a photographer and an editor, booking a studio, and ordering samples to be shipped and shot. That used to be very expensive and extremely slow, but not anymore. We've built a highly trained AI using the best image models in the world. Think of it as having the best product photographer and editor on the planet right at your fingertips for a fraction of the cost. And it's incredibly easy to use. Simply select the mockup you'd like to transform and click Make Unique with AI. From there, you can choose from our ready-made suggestions or describe your very own scene. Picture your necklace resting on soft linen beside fresh flowers, or in a warm, cozy setting that fits your niche perfectly. And here's the best part. Our AI is trained to keep your design and your message card perfectly intact, so you can reimagine the entire scene, while your jewelry design stays exactly as you created it. This is your chance to create photos no one else has. Photos that catch the eye, build trust, and make your listings impossible to scroll past. So take a moment, get creative, and make your mockups truly your own.